What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. For those of you who don't know, my name is Chris Moore. That is Big Country. That is Beej. And we are super excited in this video because we're headed south. Yeah, that's right, guys. We're headed to Cleetus McFarland's shop.
I might get to take this jacket off.
Taking the jacket off. No jackets needed in Florida. It is going to be great, boys. We are going to deliver, personally, Cleetus McFarland's mini truck. This is not any old mini truck. This is a twin Hayabusa engine mini truck. He bought this thing. It has some gremlins. BJ fixed them all.
And nitrous.
And nitrous. Yeah, that's right, guys. If you didn't see the build series we did on this thing, go check it out. BJ built a nitrous kit. BJ did the wiring. BJ did all kind of stuff on this thing. Big Country, what did you do?
Dude, I didn't really do nothing. I mean, I held it wide open a few times, shot some fire, you know. Really, I just made it like cooler. I didn't really do anything.
We got fire, we got nitrous, but the biggest thing that we want to do in this video is start out by thanking you guys. Thanks to you guys, we got to do this. We got to experience meeting Cleetus already. We got to experience working on and building his truck, and none of this would have been possible without you guys. Whenever Cleetus posted buying the mini truck, he posted all the problems, all the gremlins they had with it. I commented on the video and I said, please let me help with this. Literally over 2,500 people, you guys, went on there, liked that post and commented, yo, get more Mafia to truck, get more Mafia to do this, get them to do that. Thank you, guys. This has been a YouTube dream. We're getting to go meet Cleetus. We're going to hang out with him. We're going to tune the truck. We're going to dial it in. We're going to show him what we've done.
Dude, literally freaking like deal of a lifetime. Go down there, hang out with this dude. I mean, got almost 5 million subscribers, dude.
He's a NASCAR driver, dude.
So like a lot of people, they dream of getting like Lamborghinis or Vipers like you, but we dream of meeting Cleetus McFarland.
That's it, boys. Stay with us in this video. We're going to get to see what BJ's work and what Big Country's, whatever Big Country did in helping us. But anyways, we're going to get to go have some fun in this video. Stay with us. Here we go. Comments on our videos and your videos, people's like, you should put a lockup clutch in it, a true manual lockup.
He knows all the problems.
Well, the frame rails run right by the clutch covers, and there was no room to put an extended clutch cover on there without redesigning the frame.
Wait, should we do a test start?
Try it out, dude.
Guys, Chris was trying to start it a minute ago. We stopped him and said, no, we got to do it on video. We got to see the real deal. So they're cold. They're ice cold. Hold on, header check. Header check. You know, like when you're selling something. Ice
See,
cold.
I can touch it.
Ice cold. All right. Moment of truth, Chris.
Oh!
Happy about that?
Oh, we're good,
You happy, Beej?
Yeah. All right, we can go home then.
I thought you were the muscle.
There's only so many spots to get a hand on it, dude. Everybody wants to get their hands on it, you know?
Alright guys, moment of truth, the Busa car is on the dyno. We didn't get to dyno this thing when we were at home because we don't have a car dyno. But we're about to see what this thing makes. Now I don't expect a huge gain on motor with the ECUs because of course the time and all that stuff is relatively close to what it was with stock ECUs. The biggest thing with those ECUs is now they have basically adjusting air fuel ratio. So it'll adjust on the fly. So it's gonna keep the air fuel absolutely perfect at all times. We're about to see if we got any gains.
Brother, you got gnaws now.
We got balls, so we're about to see what that's all about too. We gotta turn our traction control and wheelie control off too.
Oh, yeah. It made 328 horsepower before. Is that what it was?
328, yep.
Wait, is there such thing as, you know how Eagle did the wheelie on the hub dyno? Does that ever happen on a road dyno?
No.
Well, I did just turn the wheelie control
The
off.
physics aren't the same, buddy. The physics don't work like that.
Yeah, that's why I asked, you know? I never claimed to be a rocket engineer.
Alright, let's do
I'm
this.
just a NASCAR driver. We use that a lot.
Oh, we know.
This is the first tune-up now. We've never actually truthfully tested this thing live before, other than in our parking lot.
You get nervous?
He is getting nervous.
Camera shot.
We already picked up a lot.
350.
Without nitrous.
Yes! Dude, it sounds so much better.
Without nitrous?
Let's put the bigger jets in it.
It's up to you, bro. Whatever you want to do. Go back by the exhaust. I can't tell if it's on it or not in here.
Oh yeah, so that's why BJ was trying to talk to me the whole time we were working. I'm like, I cannot hear anything you're saying.
It sounds so weird because there's two engines.
Yeah.
You can't really tell if it's hitting a rev limiter or anything. Alright, so that's a great start. Oh, should I just turn it on?
Turn the bottle. We need a little heat in the bottle, dude.
I know, but like, are we ready?
Yeah, it's ready.
Beach is at the controls, dialing some stuff in, getting ready for the first nose pull.
Bottle heating in progress. So we never used the nitrous bottle that they sent with it. The nitrous bottle was a little full. Anyways, we're trying to find some nitrous now, and they have used it all up for the Crown Vics they've been racing.
Oh, it looks cool.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Good?
Purge it, yeah.
Think I purged it enough?
Yeah, definitely.
410. We're almost 100 horsepower higher than
what we
before
had.
you took it home.
Yeah.
Good grief.
Clean the spike is too.
Dude, BJ killed it on that thing. That was, that was a guest tune for most people.
BJ did some nice tuning on that.
BJ is probably perfect. She's dialed these tunes in conversation or something, but damn.
That's pretty funny.
That's a snatch the front end of 9,000 right there. I'm gonna walk out with that.
Oh my gosh.
That's a get ready. We're about to flip over.
Literally right at 7,000. Whoop! Hell yeah. Nice job, dude. That's great.
BJ killed it on this one.
That was
Yeah, he did.
Yeah.
Nailed it on the tune-up.
Consider we never tested the nitrous at all. All we do is play with the purge. Like,
Paige, good job.
You're not going to be happy. You'll be honest. It's awesome. All right,
Congratulations, bro. That's
let's go do some wheelie, test the wheelie controls, the end of the drag strip, and then hit the freedom factor. Oil factor is phenomenal.
just let me shoot that on.
Nat's got to go down. Chris, Nat's got to go down.
It's got to. It's got to. Nothing can go wrong now. Just finished up the dyno tuning session. Now we're pulling in over here at the Freedom Factory. The dyno was cool. We were excited with the results, but I cannot wait to see this thing rip out here. 410 horsepower. There's no way the front tires are ever going to be on the ground. Absolutely insane, dude. He's got to have the wheelie control off. I knew that thing, the wheelie control was going to ruin the fun. Bro, this is insane.
Okay, so that one was with the nitrous on,
Okay.
and it just to the sky.
Okay. Yeah, so I'm like, damn, he's got to have the wheelie control off.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You want me to try it with the nitrous on, wheelie control on?
Let's try it on motor, wheelie control on. Let's see what the logs look like, and then we'll try the nitrous after that, because it may need a little tweaking on motor.
Good.
Yeah, it's a good point.
Wheelie control on.
That's so sick.
I'm having a blast.
It looks like it.
Insane. And you're moving some serious speed through here, too.
Bag you right there.
Yeah, you're doing some high speed wheels.
That makes it feel extra power.
It's mint.
Not too good.
Oh, dang.
The rack fell out of the brackets and shifted over so it's touching the master.
So all the 12 o'clock wheelies he did with the wheelie control off. It's got our steering rack a little out of whack. So we got it back here in the shop now. We're gonna look at that, see what's going on. We didn't touch none of that stuff. But we're about to find out what's going on with it and fix that. George is adjusting the tire pressure to get it to go a little straighter when it's the front end is off the ground.
Basically that whole sleeve is sliding over. Okay.
That works perfect.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Did you hear it pulling timing?
Yeah. And if you wanted it to go higher, we can make it go higher. If you want it to stay lower, we can make it stay lower.
I think it's perfect.
Can you see good still in that wheelie?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's perfect.
So he just made an adjustment on his steering rack. It was definitely something a little goofy. Should be ready to test out some.
all these tires then?
Them are no good anyway, dude, so you might as well polish them off.
I don't know if I can do the big bank, but I'm gonna try it.
I'm going to find out.
There's only one away. Hit the drift.
Their tires are still perfect.
Yeah, they got some cords showing now.
189 on the water tub with one fan on. She's running phenomenal.
I call that dialed.
Let's throw some tires on it.
Go park them out of the key.
Hell yeah. Are they done? Tires are done.
Yeah.
They're chunked all the wires. And
Don't do the inner figure eight real
No,
quick.
no.
I mean, your cord is pretty heavy.
Okay.
Trying to pop them.
I
No,
trust you guys.
they'll do it. It's going to make them a lot harder to get them off if you do that.
I trust you guys.
What happened, Beach?
Dude, I heard someone out there burning laps a minute ago.
Really?
Yeah. I think
Was
you need
he
to go
was he
check it
about
out.
6 foot?
I don't know what he looked
You
like.
could see his belly button.
Look, you know what? I'm not gonna lie. I seen him fly by. He was looking good.
Is he that guy?
Holy nipples, that is the guy.
Holy aura!
That's the guy.
You got a car out here, man?
Yeah, dude, I'm ready to turn some laps. I heard, it's a NASCAR track out here, but I got a NASCAR.
Oh, you're a NASCAR driver?
Well, kind of.
What do you
I
got?
just starting, but I
Where's
got
it at?
I got my NASCAR off teammate. You heard of that?
Really? Yeah.
China. Yeah.
Oh, this is it?
Yeah, dude, look.
Golly. I gotta keep up with this thing?
It is actually a hot. I like paint job.
Those jorts are something.
Yeah.
You like the paint job? I can't take my eyes off his jorts.
Yeah, dude, the only thing is Florida sun got me. I was at the beach. Got my legs a little medium rare. You know? Look at that.
Oh!
Little medium
Give that thing
So what do you got in this thing?
So, I mean, it's a Gixxer 1000 engine.
Okay.
Full out dwarf car. It's really built for dirt, but, I figured what the heck.
A lot of tires.
Drive it on dirt, you can drive it on concrete.
You got a lot of tires.
Well, yeah, dude, R888s, man.
Dang.
Gotta have that hookies,
Fire it up. Let's hear it.
Oh, you want to hear?
It's very, very compact.
Oh, he's little.
Very
I don't-
compact.
I had to ship it in boxes to get it over
Yeah.
here.
That thing is tighter, it's tighter there than it's short. Inch of wire on that thing.
Oh, shit.
That's how it idles? Yeah, it idles. That's how you warm it up. Let's go.
Country has got his car out here now. This is going to be interesting.
There's a banana peel out there. Did you get There was some grass clippings. Probably motorcycles don't like them.
Yeah, that's what it was.
Dude, your tires, they're feeling dialed, dude. What do you think, Big Country?
I'm getting her dialed in, dude.
You want me to give you a half lap head start? Let's do another gear up, dude. Just go another gear higher.
Well, that's why I was just trying to figure out where to start with.
One more gear higher.
So, basically, that's like 4.
Yeah, she fifth. You got 2 more gears, dude.
What happened back there? I really don't know. Can't call it. Do you think you got too much throttle coming out of it?
Maybe, yeah.
Okay.
I mean,
all right.
That's why I said one more.
NASCAR guys got any input?
Well, I didn't see it, unfortunately. So
It's too high in the R's. Wheelie?
Huh?
Was it starting to stand up into a wheelie?
Well, yeah, it was getting pretty chaotic out there. And, you know, when in doubt, throttle out didn't work this time.
All right.
well, I didn't see it, but all I can tell you is smooth as fast.
Hey, let's have a little 2 or 3 lap race. I'll start on the back straight way back there. When you go, I'll just try and chase you down.
Okay. On this back stretch?
Right
You
here.
can
where
start
you're at.
right here. I'll start back there.
usually tell when you let him go around.
Yeah, I'm gonna let him get by, but man,
I think he sprayed you too. He had to have used it.
Not ready for when he come by me all the stuff that went in my eyes. For the last lap, I just had my eyes closed.
Honestly, I barely had you.
Barely.
No.
Yeah, you could tell you totally let him pass you.
Yeah. Yeah. Hey.
All right.
Your
Who wants
track,
to
dude,
go
I'll let
for a
you
ride in the Blackwing?
Me.
Just to give it.
Well, we'll just high y'all that low top third. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for the video. Cleet, I feel like we got you hooked up, dude.
Dude, he's working good.
Mission
I
accomplished.
mean, wheelies, drifts. I smoked big country. What a great day.
I gotta go back and put some more tuning. BJ, we gotta do some more tuning on Country's car. Man, you got his car way too good.
I'll tell you this.
We gonna turn the nitrous up?
Guys, I was down one whole engine and I ain't got no nose like Cleet, man. I mean, you got two engines
you
and
were at a
nose.
little disadvantage. A little one. But you're a better driver, so it's...
And the guy who built my car, way better than the guy who built your car.
Yeah. Well, one thing I'll say is I like when the nitrous is on. It's like it needs that extra 40 horse.
That's what it was for.
60. That's it. So I'm like, how do we make that a permanent fixture without it being a nitrous pump? What do you do? Turbos?
Precision.
Can they share one turbo?
It's probably never been done before, but that would be
They
cool.
can just share one. Because then you don't have to have two tiny ones, just one that shares.
That'd be cool.
That's actually
Something
really
to think about.
interesting. Yeah. 2 engines, 1 turbo.
Something to think about.
All right, well, we'll revisit that.
All right, guys, that's going to do it. Be sure you're subscribed to the channel if you're not already and smash that like button. We'll see you next time.